Hi, I'm Troy Crum. I'm the manager of service parts here at Link-Belt, and I'd like to take you into the parts distribution center and show you around. This distribution center was opened in '94, and we separated our group into a separate parts center so we could control our orders and our inventory better. All of the orders come in online from our distributors, and then we process them. They go out into the warehouse where they are picked, packed, and pulled and shipped to our customers all over the world. So in 2020, we made the decision we were going to expand our warehouse. So right after ConExpo, we broke ground on a brand new warehouse that will house all of our production parts. And in the meantime, we also then changed how we did things in the existing warehouse. So one of the first things we did was we consolidated all of our receiving into these 3 doors. Now everything that comes in, whether it's for production or service parts, comes through these 3 doors. They're then brought over to locating lanes where they're located throughout our warehouse on whether they're going to production or service parts to be shipped out to our customers. One of the things we did was we removed our old stationary racks, and we've installed these new safe racks which travel along tracks and more than triple our rack capacity in this area of our warehouse. So all of the service parts have been consolidated down to this end of the warehouse in these racks so that it goes right from the racks straight to the service parts shipping area. We have our wood shop down there where we can build any crate, and then we've got our UPS workstations and our FedEx workstations so that everything small pack can be shipped out of here. So here you can see the charging stations for one of our electronic pickers. These pickers then go between all of the aisles, and they take each shop order or each service order and they go through the aisles and they pick out the parts and get them ready for shipment. So now we're going to walk into one of the entrances into the new warehouse. We've got our new racking system for all of our cylinders. All of our boom hoist and telescope cylinders will be stored on these racks. We've also got all of the new parts storage for the hoses and the tubes. So we have 15,000 square feet of storage for hoses. We've got 140,000 square feet of rack space in here. We've got all of the hoses and the tubes on this side of the warehouse because these are the first components we would need to assemble onto the machines. So they're in the location that as we go to assemble the machines, we'll work our way down the warehouse into the larger components. So as you walk through here, you can see that the tubing that we use comes in all different shapes and sizes, and we've got these custom racks that have been built for us to store all of these tubes. So we've got 2 identical Kardex machines. We've got this one in the new warehouse that'll hold 14,000 square foot of parts. We've got the one in the old warehouse that'll hold 14,000 square foot of parts. You can see the parts have been brought over from the locating lanes. They've got the yellow tags on them, the barcodes, and then they're brought over and put into the Kardex. Now the difference of this Kardex is it also has 2 heavy trays. So normally in a Kardex, you would only be able to put very small and light parts in the Kardex, but this Kardex will hold, each tray will hold up to 2,300 pounds, which is a metric ton. So as you've seen throughout this warehouse expansion, we've made a large capital investment to ensure our customers that they have the best service and support that we can possibly give them. We understand that getting our customers up and running in a timely manner is critical to their bottom lines, and Link-Belt wants to do everything that we can to be at the forefront of the industry to make sure that we are the leader in service and support.